friends! Today's video is going to be about prepositions of place that, contrary from prepositions of time, are not that simple, but hopefully through the following examples, they will make more sense to you. In usually refers to enclosed spaces or places with no boundaries. In Manhattan or any other neighborhood, in New York City or any city or town, in Oregon or any state, in Brazil or any country, in South America or any continent, in the world, in a hall, in a school or any school, in the car, in a garden, in a room. On usually refers to surfaces of things. On Fifth Avenue or any street, on the page, on a wall, on the table, on the map, on the blackboard. Finally, at refers to specific places. At 167 Brunswick Road or any full address. At the bus stop, at the mall, or any place that has a full address. At work, at the entrance, at school, when you're referring to your or any specific school. Now, my friends, make sure to apply them into your daily speech so you don't forget them. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel, to leave your comments below, and to like this video. I'll see you next session.